Is this the sneaker of the year so far? What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. All of that does help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And like you heard in the intro of this video, this might very well be the sneaker of the year for 2023. This is an amazing sneaker, so let's get right into the review. So this sneaker dropped on March 21st for a retail price of $225. And currently on StockX and GOAT, you can pick up a pair anywhere between $400 to $500 depending on your size. So now let's go over some of the details on the box. As you can see, it's a traditional Air Jordan 4 box, but they did add a little bit of twist. They whited it all out. We have the gray Jumpman, gray Flight logo. And going around some of the details, we do have the Jumpman logo. And we have the Nike SB logo right there. Hint, hint, hint. If you don't know what's inside this box already, it is a collaboration between Jordan Brand and Nike SB, the first of its kind. Now right here you do see the size 12. Now this is not my personal pair, so this is actually my first time seeing this shoe, so you guys are gonna get my authentic reaction. The unboxing right here, we're taking the lid off. Underneath, gray underneath, nothing too crazy about that. For the tissue paper right here, traditional cement print, whatever you want to call it, tissue paper. And right here, the first look at the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB in the pine green colorway. And guys, there's not a better smell on this earth, on this planet, than a brand new fresh pair of Air Jordans. That smell is amazing. But here we have it, the Air Jordan 4 times Nike SB, the first of its kind. Now we have seen Jordan Brand and Nike SB collaborate in the past on the Air Jordan 1 High, but this is the first time that they did it on the Air Jordan 4. Let's get into some of the details. So for the uppers, the material on here is primarily a cream, I would say a creamish leather. We have hits of suede going throughout the toe cap. For the Air Jordan wings, this is a lot more rubbery instead of that harder plastic, you know, for the skateboarding, so it doesn't break. And I've been waiting to touch this. Ooh, yes, this is super flimsy. This is definitely not breaking if you're going to be skateboarding. If they kept it the traditional Air Jordan 4 way, it would 100% break. But this one, super flimsy and rubbery. I love this Nike SB on the back tab right here. You know, traditionally on non-OG colorways, we would get the Jumpman, but for this one, they stamped the Nike SB. I'm happy they didn't do Nike Air or anything like that, but I love that right there. And you guys already know, green is my favorite color, so this colorway is fire in my opinion. We have the creams, the greens, the grays, the white midsole, and probably everybody's favorite touches, the little hits of the gum bottoms right here. You see a mix of a white and gum bottom, looks great. And then we have the red Nike right there branding as well. As we look at the insole right here, we do have a red Nike SB insole. It doesn't say Jumpman or anything like that. It says Nike SB Air. Wow, that's kind of dope right there. Nike SB Air, and it is in the red colorway. For the tongue, let's see, it's a little bit more padding than the traditional Air Jordan 4 tongue. I would say a little bit, but not too much. It definitely is a little bit noticeable that it's a little bit thicker than the traditional Air Jordan 4 tongue, but not too crazy, not like your fat SB tongues. For the other side of the tongue, we do have the Jumpman logo right there with the Flight branding. And for laces, it comes laced up in a white lace. Is there an extra lace? Let me see. I'm looking inside the box. No extra lace. It would have been fire if they gave us a pair of green laces though. Now to go over the quality on materials, feeling the leathers, feeling the suede. Nike and Jordan Brand definitely did step up the material game on this pair right here. It's not your traditional shitty leather. It's definitely a step up. It's not the best leather, but definitely an improvement. Now as far as comfort and how well this shoe will be skating, unfortunately this is not my personal pair, so I can't tell you that. I have watched a lot of other videos and they were saying that this Air Jordan 4 is the best feeling Air Jordan 4 on feet. Super comfy, and it is actually a good skating shoe. Now I want to say that Nike and Jordan Brand definitely did switch up some of the technology. I have been hearing about that they touched up the air unit, whether they took out the air unit in the back to get more of that board feel. And I've also heard saying that there's a little bit more padding in the forefront of the foot. As you can see, the suede suede mudguard is a little bit higher just to protect that leather from the board. Now as for the bottom, did they switch up the grip? I don't believe so. This is a traditional Air Jordan 4 bottom, but you know, Air Jordan 4s already are grippy to begin with because it is a basketball shoe, so this shoe should be great for skating as well. As far as is it worth the resale price, so the retail on this shoe was $225 and resale is sitting anywhere between $400 to $500 depending on your size. Now I say if you can find a pair for around 400 bucks, I would definitely snag that one up. Not too much of a markup, about $175 markup, but you know, after taxes and fees it could be a little bit higher. So I would definitely say go to some of your local resale shops, see if you can bargain or possibly trade with them. But this is a great shoe and I love to see the collaboration between Jordan Brand and Nike SB. Now as you guys know, on this channel we give every sneaker a rating from 1 to 10, and to be honest with you guys, this might be a near perfect shoe. Colorway, price point, the nuance of it being that it's a Nike SB and Air Jordan 4. We haven't seen that. I'm gonna give this shoe a 9.5 out of 10. Now the only thing I wish they would have done a little bit differently is maybe gave us an extra pair of laces, and the reason why it's not a perfect 10 is because it's just not an OG colorway and it doesn't really mean anything to me personally. But just looking at this shoe, looking at the build, looking at the shape, I like that they went back to the 1988 shape. You could definitely see the shape is a little bit different than the newer Air Jordan 4s. They kind of went back to that retro 88 shape on this Jordan 4. I think it's a great shoe, 9.5. Definitely do recommend picking this up, trade for it, buy it, get your hands on this shoe before the price goes up, because I could definitely see this shoe going up into the $600-700 price point come Christmas time. You know, when everyone wants this pair, this shoe might skyrocket. I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok yet, make sure to click that link down below. It'll take you directly to my Instagram and my TikTok. Show your boy some love and drop your boy a follow. And as far as this being the sneaker of the year so far, we aren't even halfway through 2023 yet, but this is definitely top 3 release. But for me, it's gonna be that reimagined Air Jordan 3. This is just a classic colorway, and this is my favorite sneaker so far, but this is probably my second favorite. Now let me know in the comment section below if you guys had to choose between the two. Are you guys going with the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB or the Air Jordan 3 reimagined? Well, I think I said everything that was needed to be said. This shoe is amazing. I love the colorway. A great shoe. Definitely going to be in my top 5 sneakers of 2023 already. We aren't even halfway through the year, and this is a great release. This is a must cop in my opinion. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.